Hi everyone, welcome to this KoBo Toolbox video for beginners where I will show you two powerful ways to build professional survey for data collection. The traditional method and the AI approach, you decide which one is faster and more efficient for designing data collection forms. I'm excited to take you through in this video. If you have ever wondered how to speed up form design with KoBo Toolbox and you want to avoid the Excel formula headache or building it on the KoBo Toolbox workflow. By the way, my name is Mohammed Ahmed. I'm a data and AI specialist committed to helping humanitarian development professionals. One of the key tools we have all used to collect primary data collection is KoBo Toolbox, and we all love it. This video has two main parts, the traditional KoBo Toolbox workflow, and in the second part, I'll show you a form building with AI. On the first, before the traditional approach, let's talk about what is KoBo Toolbox. A KoBo Toolbox is a free open source tool for building forms and collecting data used by each one of you, from researchers, from NGOs, and humanitarian organizations. It works with forms designed through a web interface or Excel-based XLS formula. Lets you create and collect, manage, visualize, and store data with or without internet connection. From traditional form building perspective, we use the web interface in the KoBo Toolbox. So I'll take you through that in the first approach, and I'll show you how you are able to create that in a minute. But first, let's also talk about the form building with AI. There are different ways you can use AI to build and design forms. One is you can brainstorm with any AI, a large language model such as ChatGPT, Cloud, and DeepSeek. But in this specific video, I'll show you a KoboGPT application where you will generate an entire data collection form using plain text language, or you upload your file either in PDF or Word document. So let's take back to the first approach, and I'll show you and how you can do that. In the first approach, as you're able to see now on the KoBo Toolbox, you have to go to KoboToolbox.org. So you land in the homepage, and if you are watching this video, you'll see maybe a similar interface, and if not, then it could have been updated the theme, or maybe the homepage has changed. So click Get Started for free, and then you'll have two ways to sign up or log in. One is the global KoBo Toolbox server or the European and Union KoBo Toolbox server. If you are based in Europe and you want your data to be based or stored in Europe, you use the European server. For the rest of the world, they can use the global KoBo Toolbox, which I will be using in this video as well. It's easy to set up for you to just create a new application and your account. So you create an account. If you click an account, and you'll be dropped in this form. So you'll have filled all this, and then you quickly verify it in your email inbox and get access to to the KoBo Toolbox. So I already logged in. So I come to my KoBo Toolbox. So on the top right side, you'll see and the username you are logged in. So I'm logged in with my Gmail now. So you can quickly come here, and we will create one together from scratch. So you come here, you say build from scratch. You will add your entire and title here, and then description. Then you have to provide either you have to select one of these. So if it's based, their question is based on education or maybe coordination or some sort of it, let's just say coordination for simplicity, and then you'll say which country you're based or you are doing this data collection. So I'll add tests here, then create. Then you'll land in this. So this is where we talk about the traditional approach. You'll click here and I'll say that I want to add first question. It's going to be text-based. So I'll come here and get the text from here. So let's get the first text. I'll paste it here. The second question, I'll do the same. So this is going to be based on numeric because it's asking what's the age. So copy, bring it. Then you'll do the same for the rest of questions. So you see how time consuming it is. First, you have to design your questionnaire in Word document or PDF and then bring it to an KoBo Toolbox. So save. When you finish, you'll save your questions and deploy it. But in the second approach that I'm proposing that you'll use is to log in into KoboGPT. So you go to app.KoboGPT and then you land in this beautiful homepage. So it says create XLSForm in minutes and not in hours. So what you will do is you have to log in and come to the dashboard and you'll see this and where you'll be able to design. You can add one by one the questions, but that's not the case here. So what we will do is we'll go to this simple survey form text and upload it into the Kobo and GPT. Let's come here. I'll drop the file and immediately it takes in. So you can also see the timeline here, 30% is gone already. It's processing under the hood, so it will structure your form into a Kobo tool and combo design. Immediately we got it something back. So now you see now the full name. It has all the details. What's your age? What's your gender? Are you employed? All these details coming here. So if you want to make any changes, you can do the changes here. If you want to delete, if you want to and change this and maybe the order of some of the questions, you can drag and drop doing this. So if you also want to go to choices, you can see that it has all the choices as well. If you want to export the question or maybe add intuitive title, you can come here and say that maybe let's use it another name for this. You can say that, okay, professional data. You can come and say export. It has 6 questions. It has exported already. So we can also check the XLSForm exported. So we'll see it has in all the sheets, survey, choices, and settings. So this looks good to me. So let's test and upload it into a Kobo and KoBo Toolbox and see if this form is working. So come back here. Let's say that we want to create a new one. So upload. I'll do this. So now you need to provide this. Just select one of it. I'll do the same thing again. Great. So now you need to deploy. So your form is now deployed, which means you can open this form. Voila, you can see the form here. So you can change the title if you don't like it. Then it has a very good theme here. So, what's your full name? What's your age? What's your gender? Male, female? Are you currently employed? all these details already here. So it has simplified building in a KoboToolbox workflow, and you have taken all your questionnaires, uploaded it into a KoboGPT, and then it has generated a full-fledged form for you to make changes. You can go back to the XLSForm and add more if you want. Thank you so much. If you have learned today, please drop a message down here, and I'll be creating more of these videos. If you like it, subscribe